Hi everyone, I'm Pavel. I'm going to show you a simple way how you can include Google reviews into your React app. So let's dig in. So first, I have a very simple React app here. And here I have a div, my reviews here, where I want my Google reviews. All I'm going to do is use this library, Google Reviews widget, that I'm going to link to you in the description and install it in my project. And when that's done, I have a new component that's called Google Reviews widget. Takes one prob, which is an instance ID that we don't have yet. But if you look at it now, nothing's happening. So we need to get the instance ID. The tooltip tells us where to get it. We need to go to reviews beaver codes. I have that open, so I can just create a new widget. It's very simple. In the new widget, I'm just going to search for my company name. So like Beaver Climbs is one of my companies. And this, in a second, should fetch all the reviews for my company. Perfect. I can do my much more config. That's not necessary. And here, last step is I'm going to add the website. There are steps for different sort of website builders, but for us, all we need is this instance ID that we got right here. So then in our code, we just paste in the instance ID, and we have the reviews. And that's everything I want to show you. So have a good day. Bye.